Okay, I spent most of my night working on the house, securing it after the break-in and the robbery.
Unknown caller.
And I'm waiting for the police to call me back. Hello? 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 But like I say, I'm waiting for the police, so I have to turn off my spam filter and stuff so that I can get calls. And it's going to be fun with nonstop scam calls until they call. We're here in Opelousas, Louisiana here. And like I said, I had to drive all the way back here when I was making some really good money because someone decided to break into my house. So I had to secure the door, go through, work on a police statement and everything. Now I'm in the process of trying to head back to the island. The decisions of trying to figure out what to do, keeping the house and the property that is getting battered by these storms here, the longer I'm gone, it needs so much work. I don't have the time, I don't have the funds to do the work. I'm trying to stay positive, but it's hard when you keep getting kicked down. Thankfully for FSD 14.2.2.2, doing all the driving yesterday, it helped me. Yes, I did a live stream yesterday. If I do another one today, I'm not sure because I have to make some money. I'm doing an Uber Eats order now, and I'm going to try to start heading back. A lot of trees here, so the Starlink connection will not be the best, especially with these storm clouds coming in. So it'll be very laggy to do a live stream. So I might take one of the back roads through Eunice and those towns, if the car wants to go that way. My friend who is a doctor, he came by and helped me secure the house. Of course, I cut my finger really bad on the glass trying to work on it. I'm exhausted. I couldn't deal with the they're pumping the water out of the fire lines. It's all brown and stuff, so the water here ain't good. But yeah, and I got this iced tea over here, McAllister's famous iced tea, and some food there, and it looks good, but it's not mine. This one here, meat at door. It's a meat at door. Okay. I'm trying to think. I don't think I left anything. Anything behind. These delivery gigs are not doing too good. I mean, I rejected one earlier. It was a McDonald's delivery from Walmart. A total of 13 deliveries all over the place. Approximate amount of time is like about 4 hours, only paying $25. Yeah, that's not good. The guy who broke into my house looked right into several of the security cameras. If the police can ID him and catch him, I don't know. I go to Lowe's here to get some plywood cut so that I can secure the door. And the guy cutting the plywood looks almost exactly like him. But I think his build was a little bigger. I wonder if I can do this. Go to ChatGPT, and if I choose that image, and that image. Is this the same person? So yeah, it won't help you with that. I guess, that's a privacy concern. I don't know. But I guess my next step is to wait for the police report, which would be Monday, and today is Friday, so. Drizzle here, rain. I complained about some of the roads there in Brownsville, Arlington, and McAllen, and I kind of forget how bad these roads are here. I'm sorry, I'm trying to keep upbeat. I'm trying to relax. But that's not going too well. I really wish if it would avoid those potholes or straddle them. Uh, 6.5 months in the Model Y here. A little over half. I already have 83,040 miles on it. My Model 3, 360,000 miles in 3.5 years. We're running 14.2.2.2. Since the 14.2 builds, I have traveled a total of 18,329.2 miles. The car has driven 277.3 miles. Very little takeover. I was debating on uploading a video of me leaving the house, but after being robbed, I don't think I want to do that. I engaged full self-driving, so it kind of backed into the into the front yard. I thought it was going to turn and go out the driveway, but no, it kept backing all the way to the house, all the way into my backyard, and then it pulled into the neighbor's yard and went out his driveway. I don't get it. $21.06 is it? Okay. And the car is still going. Why? The house is back there. It's doing it. I guess it's looking for a parking spot. I don't know. Oh, sorry, dude. I'm turning around. I think this is the house here. This is 2106. This is where I got to take over, where it doesn't quite have the. Okay, these look like apartments. House. Okay, yeah, okay, they're just missing everything but they're missing the 21-0 is what they're missing. There we go. Let me go make this delivery real quick. Be right back. Okay, that was one delivery, $5.61. Ooh, I'm rich. I'm rich. So let's see. I'm gonna start driving here. Hey, can you navigate to I guess Houston, Texas? I guess. Well, yeah.
Sure. Navigating to Houston, Texas. It's about 202 miles away. Starting the route now.
Okay. Go ahead and start that. Engage.
Route set to Houston with a Supercharger stop in Beaumont, Texas. 146 miles away. Arriving around 1:37 p.m. Navigation engaged.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You're welcome.
Okay, That's a rough looking railroad track. So, I've driven this road before. I don't remember when, where, how, or why. Many years ago. I tried to stay in the house last night, but I don't know, my throat started hurting. I'm kind of wondering if there's something lingering in that house. So I slept in the car in the driveway. At least my destination charger worked, and I was able to charge up. I do think it has issues. I need to find someone, and you know, my friend the doctor says, oh yeah, they're all over. I know a great person does it. I'm like, fine, well, you know, give me their number. Yeah, I'll get you, you know, when I have time. And you know, that's months and months ago. A long time ago. And you know, a bunch of the stuff I had there, I've been asking him if he can store it for me. He just never has time, never got around to it. And now it's stolen. Yesterday I got up, new day, new year, a lot of scheduled rides, you know, made $131 in the first couple of hours. It was looking to be a very promising day, but oh no, hey, someone broke into your house. We need you here for a police report. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I do hope they catch the guy. I do hope they put some effort in looking for them. But I don't have a lot of confidence in that. I'm really not too sure where the car is going here. Oh yeah, we're going to go through Church Point.